People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. So people, don't know, say election did go on and people turn out in them thousands for vote. You see me, people? A whole lot of people turn out. Even though it was a low turnout in voters because of coronavirus, because of weather, it turned out was not as how it was predicted, and people from overseas who normally flying, probably never get the chance to fly in for vote. But don't know, say everybody who they are try them best for vote. This including men who was wanted for murder, people. Who was wanted for murder. Them show up at the polling station for put in them vote. And police, as usual, was waiting for them. So they said the police are reporting that 2 wanted men were captured today as they attempted to cast their ballots. The police say one man who was wanted by the St. Andrews Central Police in relation to an April 2019 murder was nabbed when he turned up to vote in Augustown in the parish. So him put on him outfit and say, yeah, me I go vote, even though me kill people and nobody might not know. But police did know. Police was looking for him, but him look like him did hard to find. But election come, you don't know, say him I try put in him vote. So he was nabbed by the police. Good job, Jamaica Constabulary Force. So them say, meanwhile, cops attached to the St. Mary Proactive Investigation Unit arrested a man wanted for 2 murders. They say wanted for 2 murders, He killed 2 people, but him get up out of him house, but him a go vote. But it's a good thing him go vote, because them wanna catch him. Or it probably take a longer time to catch him. So he say again, meanwhile, cops attached to St. Mary Proactive Investigation Unit arrested a man wanted for 2 murders, one in St. Anne and the other in St. Mary. The man was held in Lewis Store in the parish. Them say their identities are being withheld. I don't like when them withheld them identity, dash it out there, fling it out there. You see me I say? Because me see the brother who was almost ambushed in the robbery attempt the other day. His name was place where him live was just plastered all over the place, and he was an innocent person. Them youth who kill people, when you catch them, for just dash out them info. No we tell nothing, when I will tell for. But me glad say police were able to catch them. Now they're behind bars and they will face a judge and they will get sentenced and do them time. Big up in yourself, Jamaica Constabulary Force, for the work that you do. Big up in yourself. And also, Jamaica's ex-footballer Teddy Johnson was shot and injured today, people. He said Tivoli Gardens midfielder Jermaine Teddy Johnson was shot and injured today. Head coach Philip Williams confirmed to the Gleaner moments ago that Johnson was shot in the shoulder. Williams said he was notified of the incident by club president Darren Henneran. Williams said the 40-year-old Johnson is at the Kingston Public Hospital and that he is awaiting further update on his status. So, people put on the gun. He was a once great footballer for Tivoli Gardens. He was a big striker for Tivoli Gardens, people. He was shot. They just put on the gun, people, and an innocent life get taken during election time. You see me, people? So sad news that, but he's hopefully he recovers fully from his injuries. And big up yourself, you. Go and hold the faith. You see me, people? Alright, mad. So, yeah, people, honestly, overall, the election looked like there was no violence, or I wouldn't say no violence, but what Jamaicans are accustomed to, it wasn't as much. And me not gonna lie, we're thankful for that. We're thankful that the people realize that all this killing one another nah solve nothing. We have to rely upon the people them who we put in office to do the work. And you killing off your brothers and your sisters now accomplish nothing. Cause tell me you kill off somebody now, what that I do for you? Eh? That I give you money in your pocket. That I give you the big house where you want. That I give you the life you want to live. You see me I say like that don't make no sense. And I'm thankful say the crime was way down. People was just enjoying themselves and carry on with them life. You see me say coronavirus did they about some. I don't know if people just decide say yeah, we are stay where we are, we not really go out much. But me love to see it, man. Love to see it. No violence. Just nice, calm Jamaica. What we want. You see me? That's all we ask for, you know, people. Jamaica for be just beautiful and just people can come and enjoy themselves. And not have to worry about getting robbed or killed. You see me? So me love how the election had turned out. As I said before, it was low voter turnout because of corona, rain, and a bag of other things can hinder people from coming out. But nevertheless, the election looked like it was very productive, and I guess the best person end up winning, which was Bro God. You may say people big up in yourself. Leave it in the comment section when you think or when you think about this election. Let me know. Leave some comments and we discuss what go on in the election of people. Enough love and respect here.